his party flag in the build-up to the 2026 Tamil Nadu state elections, and these are the live visuals.
நமது மக்களின் உரிமைகளுக்காகவும் தமிழ் மண்ணிலிருந்து தீரத்துடன் போராடி உயிர் நீத்த எண்ணற்ற வீரர்களின் தியாகத்தை எப்போதும் போற்றுவேன். நமது அன்னை தமிழ் மொழியை காக்க உயிர் தியாகம் செய்த மொழிப்போர் தியாகிகளின் இலக்கை நிறைவேற்றும் வகையில் தொடர்ந்து பாடுபடுவேன். இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு சட்டத்தின் மீதும் இறையாண்மை மீதும் நம்பிக்கை வைத்து அனைவருடன் ஒற்றுமை, சகோதரத்துவம், மத நல்லிணக்கம், சமத்துவம் ஆகியவற்றை பேணி காக்கின்ற பொறுப்புள்ள தனி மனிதராக செயல்படுவேன். மக்களாட்சி, மதச்சார்பின்மை, சமூக நீதி பாதையில் பயணித்து என்றும் மக்கள் நல சேவகராக கடமை ஆற்றுவேன் என உறுதி அளிக்கின்றேன். சாதி, மதம், பாலினம், பிறந்த இடம் ஆகியவற்றில் பெயரில் உள்ள வேற்றுமைகளை களைந்து மக்களிடையே விழிப்புணர்வை ஏற்படுத்தி அனைவருக்கும் சம வாய்ப்பு, சம உரிமை கிடைக்க பாடுபடுவேன். பிறப்புக்கும் எல்லா உயிர்க்கும் என்ற சமத்துவ கொள்கையை கடைபிடிப்பேன் என்று உளமாற உறுதி கூறுகின்றேன். தேங்க்யூ.
Mugilan is joining us on this story. Mugilan, so actor Vijay has now launched his party flag also in the build-up to the 2026 elections. And how do you think this is going to have an impact on the Tamil Nadu politics?
Definitely, it is expected to have a very significant impact on in Tamil Nadu politics, as Vijay is an actor who has a very mass following of youngsters, and even during the recent times, either it be his fans meet or meeting these students, we have seen the kind of crowd that gathered to see Vijay. And earlier we have seen he has already given feelers about his political entry, and then he saw making his remarks stating that everyone should be treated equally, and he also spoke for the state rights. And even then we got a glimpse about Vijay's vision for his political party, and now he has unveiled his flag. And you can see in the visuals also, Vijay has unveiled his party flag with a combination of yellow and red color. And in the flag we can see two elephants and a flower at the center band. So Vijay today he will be addressing right after hoisting the flag, his party flag. He will be addressing his party cadres. He will be explaining the meaning of the colors chosen, the elephant and the flower that chosen in the flag, and he will be also spelling out his vision, what he has for the state. So definitely yes, Vijay definitely he is expected to make a significant impact in Tamil Nadu politics. As I said earlier, he is also speaking about state rights, which is directly he conveys that he will be contesting, or he will be competing against the two Dravidian majors in Tamil Nadu. As far as Tamil Nadu, we have already seen it is the political regional parties which hold command in Tamil Nadu. So Vijay has also taken the same line, that is the state right. So definitely we can expect Vijay to compete against the Dravidian majors in Tamil Nadu. And we have seen the other parties also which have already welcomed Vijay, either it be the BJP or the Nam Tamil. We have seen that they have already welcomed Vijay to their fold. Yesterday we heard Annamalai stating that BJP will be happy to have Vijay in their fold. So definitely yes, Vijay will be seen as a very significant player in Tamil Nadu politics in the coming days.
All right, Mugilan, please stay with us. We're also being joined by CNN News 18's Purnima Murli on this story. Purnima, as Mugilan was mentioning, that the BJP has in fact welcomed actor Vijay's party TVK. But what about the DMK and the AIDMK? How have they reacted to this?
The DMK so far has played the wait and watch game. In fact, the DMK says that anyone is welcome to become a politician, and that they will only react once Vijay makes his ideologies clear, what his party's ideology stands for. Remember, Vijay had earlier taken an anti-NEET stance, saying that it is going to impact the rural population, and therefore the central government should consider abolition of NEET. So that, in fact, was a statement that was welcomed by political parties. But for now, both the Dravidian parties are playing it safe, while the AIADMK, however, has said that Vijay cannot make a big impact. However, 2026 is going to be an interesting battle here in Tamil Nadu, because Vijay has made it clear that he will be focusing on the 2026 elections, and smaller parties in Tamil Nadu have welcomed Vijay, including Nam Tamil Katchi. BJP too says that it's interesting to have Vijay as a politician for the 2026 elections. But the DMK playing a safe game for now, playing the wait and watch game.
All right, Purnima and Mugilan, thank you so much for all those details. And with that, we're now slipping into a very short break, but there's more on the other side. Stay with CNN News 18.